Let's see how to convert your handwriting into text in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open our document. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. So let's go ahead to the Draw tab and select our ink. Let's choose this one, the black one, and simply draw or write our text in our document. So let's go ahead and type whatever word that we want. So go ahead and we're going to go ahead and draw the word ant. Now let's select this option right here to select this particular word. Oh. And as you can see, that has now been selected. Simply right-click on that selection, and you'll see the option to convert your ink into text. So just go ahead and click that, and that should automatically convert your ink drawing into a text in your document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.